Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about Azure. What is Azure? We will see its definition and more information. So let's begin. Azure. Azure is a cloud platform that provides online services for computing, storage, networking, and data analysis. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and service created by Microsoft. What people use Azure for? Let's see. Data storage, saving large amounts of files or databases. Web hosting, running websites and web apps. Data analytics, analyzing large datasets. Artificial intelligence, building AI models. Virtual machines, running computers in the cloud.